I don't think he realizes his paw is bigger than that kitten's head.
No, but he's being gentle. He's not trying to bop him in the face anymore.
No.
Hey.
Come back here. We were playing.
No, you're not.
Oh dear. You can't fit underneath that table.
He does try. You can fit his head.
You're gonna knock over my whole music stand, aren't you?
Come on here before something gets broken.
There we go.
Slurp, slurp.
What's a little more dog slobber after all? He just grabs right under his nose. Doesn't seem to care.
He's got tiny little claws. I'm sure they don't even come close to his skin with all that fur.
Apparently not. Yeah, just pin him to the ground. That'll work.
He doesn't seem to care too much.
You guys. Be nice. Seriously, the kitten cannot require more cleaning.